Hi guys, I'm EKD and I want to welcome you to Motion Graphics for Advertising, your gateway into the exciting world of visual storytelling and animation. In this comprehensive course, we are going to be exploring one of the best softwares in the industry. It's not other software, but After Effects, okay? We're going to start by learning the basics of the software, and from there, we are going to move into powerful tools that you can use to create stunning visual effects and animation. One thing you've got to know is that great motion graphics go beyond just visuals, okay? They tell a story and engage the audience on an emotional level. And this is why we divided this course into 3 phases, okay? Phase 1 is all about introduction. We get to introduce After Effects, tell you facts about After Effects and why it is important, okay? And we get to show you all around the interface, so you get to know some certain things about After Effects. And from there, we are going to move to Phase 2, which is practice the essential. On this phase, we are going to be looking at different tools that After Effects has to offer. For almost every tool, we are going to engage in mini projects, okay? And from there, we are moving to Phase 3, okay, which is the final phase. I call it the main, because we are going to be creating a project for a dummy client, okay, a beverage company. Actually, you are going to get to face your fears head on, okay? Here you are going to be equipped because I'm going to be teaching you the tactics to creating amazing and captivating motion adverts, okay? You can use the same template to create them for a client of yours, even for personal projects, okay? And after we're done with all these phases, I'm going to add a bonus content. And that's great. I'm going to add a bonus content where I'm going to be sharing with you all that you need to know concerning the motion market, so that you get equipped immediately you are done with this course. So guys, are you ready to embark on this journey into the world of motion graphics? If you are, then you've got to join the community now. And trust me, you are going to unlock your creative potential in the realm of visual storytelling. So see you during the course, and I'm glad to walk this journey with you. I remain EKD. Bye for now.